Sociosites, and today I'm going to teach you how to edit your colors and edit your fonts on Milo. So the first thing you're going to do is log into your editor, and you're going to go ahead and click on Edit Colors. And you can see right here, this is where you're going to edit all of your colors. So they all go to the certain part of the website. So this is the main background, this is your content background, your menu, your content, your logo subtitle, and then your titles inside your text sections, your image taglines that go over pictures in this particular theme, and then your borders, footer, background, content that's at the bottom, very bottom of the website. And then you have menu rollover, and then you have all the newsletter content if you set up a newsletter section. And you can always reset it to default to the original colors that we added if you just do not like what you created. And so I would just suggest changing something, going and looking at it, going back, seeing if you like it, and kind of getting to know where the colors go on this theme. And then if you look right here, you can click on these little boxes and you can change the colors here. You can add the RGB number if you have it. And then if you have any of these numbers, you can add that too. And you can also take this little eyedropper and you can go ahead and find a certain color, maybe on an image that you have, and go ahead and eyedrop that exact color. Okay, so we'll go ahead and click back to the editor. And then we're going to go to Edit Fonts. So this is where you can edit all of your fonts, your font, your size, and letter spacing. And it tells you which font you're editing. So this is your logo, your menu, the main content, the big titles, and then the second titles, and then sometimes there's a secondary title. This would be in your testimonials or in your shop. And then you can change the font for your taglines. And so you can go all the way down, and then you can also reset to defaults. Okay, so you can change all these back to the original fonts that we chose for this theme, and then you click save. And if you go back to your editor, so these are your main colors. This is where all your colors and fonts are set. Now I'm going to take you into a section. Let's just go into the bio. I'm going to go into a text section. And this is pretty much for all of your sections, okay? So let's say that I'm in this section and I do not want these colors the same that are in my main colors, okay? So for this particular section, I want this to be red, okay? So I can go in here and I can change the colors. You can see all over here. I can change the appearance, so I can go in here and highlight it, and then I can change it to red, and it won't affect the rest of the site that is black. Okay, but anytime that you want to change this back to black, you're going to have to come in this section and hand change it to black because you changed the color in this section to red. Okay, if you decide you want it black again and you don't want to have to keep coming back into the section to change the color, you can go to Reset Formatting, and it will change back to the formats that you set originally in your colors, okay? Not in this section, the main colors I just showed you. So that's another way that you can change your colors, is in each side, inside of each text section or galleries or whichever section you're in, you can change the colors individually, okay? And we'll go back to the editor. And so you can preview on phone, you can preview on tablet or the desktop, and you can see right here that you can come here and you can see all of the different edits that you did. So you can see if you changed any colors, and then you can go all the way down to the footer, and this is your footer down here. If you have any questions, please email us at info@sociosites.com, and have a fantastic day.